In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Over here. Now select Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Now it's time to select one of your apps and click on one of those options to apply perfect one for you. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can start Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always click on any feature to locate an app you wish to manage. Click on your app, and instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down to click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!